MetaTrader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is really meant for MT4. Make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and register with any of the forex brokers. Open a demo account with them first. Try out your strategy and see if you are profitable using that particular strategy or indicator before you go ahead to open a live account. Make sure you start trading or practicing with demo account and not your real account. After you are profitable, then you can go live with your hard earned money. You can fund your account then and keep on trading, but make sure you practice on demo account. Make sure you are consistent first before you go ahead to trade or to fund your live account. It is important that you do that, and do check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your analysis before you go live. Do check my video description for some of these regulated forex brokers. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy, either for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now let us go on to today's strategy. On my chart, I have few indicators that I've combined together that do not repaint, and the fact that it doesn't repaint does not make it 100% accurate. Just make sure you follow money management and trade on a regulated forex brokers and you will be fine. On my chart, I have the indicators that do change from green to magenta color. The green color is for buy, as we have it here, and magenta is for sell, but the two lines must agree before you consider either to take a buy or a sell, as the case might be. And I have this arrow indicator. This does not repaint. This yellow arrow does not repaint. The white arrow does not repaint. And the third indicator I have here is the RSIOMA indicator. Now, how do I use this indicator or this strategy on a regulated forex brokers? Number one thing you have to look out for at this particular line. The two lines must be the same color before you consider taking any trade. And at this point, we have this indicator. The two line did change at this particular point. We have the arrow indicator did appear first, and when you check the RSIOMA indicator, this did confirm the signal, and this is a good setup for us to buy. And the line keep on moving on and it remains green for a buy. At this particular point too, we have continuation for this same trend, though this line did discontinue, but we do not have the magenta color here for a sell. And so when we have the other indicators in agreement too, then you can place your trade for a buy, and this did deliver well. Let's go back a bit for a sell signal. At this particular point, we have this did change to magenta here. We have the yellow arrow that does not repaint, and then we have this in confirmation for a sell, and this is the right point for us to place a trade, and this did deliver. And for continuation too, we have this arrow when this indicator still remain magenta, so we can place another sell at this particular point, and your stop loss will just be few pips above this particular line. as we have it here, your stop loss will just be few pips above this line or few pips above the previous high for this particular sell. And this is how to use this on a regulated forex brokers. Let's check other pairs and see how it plays out. Now on US 30, we just check gold right now. Let's check it on indices. US 30. On US 30, this is 15 minutes chart. We have the confirmation here. The two line did change to green. We have the RSI OMA indicator, and the arrow was present for a buy, and this did delivered, and we keep on enjoying this particular trend. And for a sell, we can go back a bit and see what actually happened too. So for a sell signal, we have confirmation here to go short, and then we have the arrow here, and we have the RSI OMA indicator that did confirm this particular direction. And this is how to use this particular strategy profitably on a regulated forex brokers. And we have this particular buy that we've analyzed already. Let's check US 100, another indices. So it's still the same methodology. We still have the confirmation here, and it did deliver. Here's another continuation, and it's giving us a few pips. And let's check this on the Euro USD and another forex pair. So here's it on Euro USD. We have a buy confirmation at this particular point, and the RSI OMA indicator did confirm this particular buy setup. So you can add to your trade. If you miss the first entry at this particular point, you can add, or you can enter a new trade. So let's check it on Great Britain pounds USD. So here we have a buy confirmation from the two line, but this is where we have a RSI OMA indicator in agreement for a buy, though this did not deliver well, and that was why I said no indicator is 100% accurate. This buy did not deliver well. Here we have a sell, and the two line did confirm it. RSI OMA indicator did confirm this particular trend, and this is a good point for us to enter this particular sell. And the buy here did deliver for us. We have the confirmation here, and we have the arrow indicator at this particular point. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any forex pair you want to trade. As I have shown you right now, you can use it on indices, you can use it on meta like gold, and you can use it on crypto pairs like BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on. You can use this on stocks also. Just make sure you follow this simple rule. I have combined few indicators together, and I do not want to go over it one by one. Just make sure you use my template so that you have the same chart like mine and the same setting like what I have on my chart. I'm not using the default setting. Just make sure you use my template. The download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you check it out and download it. It is free. And do not forget that you must trade on a regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of best forex broker outside there. I come your way again. Keep on winning, and bye for now.